A triangular plane lamina of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners touching it. That means it is touching HP, such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Draw the top and front views in this position. Also, determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. So he says a triangular plane lamina of side 25 mm is resting on HP. So obviously it is resting on HP. It's a triangle of 25 mm side. So here all the sides are resting on HP. So obviously it will be parallel to HP. So when you look from the top view, I can see the true shape of AB, BC, CA, which is equal to 25 mm. Since the surface is parallel to HP, so obviously that should be perpendicular to VP. So you are getting a line here. So the shaded portion is the one which shows that it is a surface. When you take it into the 2D analysis, you can see that means when you rotate this by 90 degree, obviously this will going to be the sketch what you are going to get. So in wherein a BC is the side which is perpendicular to VP, so you are getting a side here, and opposite to this is a corner which is a single point, and this is a pentagon of 25. Triangle of 25 mm side, wherein it is parallel to HP. So I am getting the true shape. Since it is perpendicular to VP, I am getting a line here, with one of its corners touching it. It is touching HP. So one of the corners is touching HP means the corner which is resting on HP is the one which we can see, such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP. The side opposite to this corner, which is A, that is capital B and C, is the one which is the side. Initially it was on HP, is made 15 mm above HP. So that means we are tilting this triangular lamina by keeping on corner on XY line, HP, and rotated till it becomes 15 mm above HP. So how do I can get that? You can see here the corner is resting on HP. Side opposite to this corner is B dash C dash is above HP by 15 mm. So this is the a surface which has been shown with a shaded portion. And this surface is inclined to HP but perpendicular to, so inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So you are getting a line here. So when you transformed it to 2D sketch or 2D analysis, you can see A dash is resting on HP, and then it is the side opposite to the corner is 15 mm above HP. So from the XY line you draw a 15 mm parallel line, then measure the length from A dash to B dash. From A dash you cut an arc on this to get this point. You will get this line, you draw this line. Then draw a vertical projector from A dash and draw a horizontal projector from A to get this point A. And draw a vertical projector from B dash and C dash and draw a horizontal projector from B and C to get this point BC. So you join ABC, it's a triangle. So B dash C dash is parallel to HP, so I am getting the true length here. So it says to measure the inclination with respect to HP. So the theta is 43.85 degree, it is in CAD. If you are measuring it into manual drawing, you will going to get 44 degree. So by using the protractor, you measure this angle with respect to this XY line and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. So here it is the true inclination is given. The length is also true length because it is parallel to HP. So I am getting the true length here. So on XY line, so you can see this is the one, this is the actual position what we get in the final position, wherein capital BC is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with respect to VP. And this length is true length because it is parallel to HP. So I am getting the true length here. And the inclination is also true inclination. So you directly get that onto this line. So this is actually when you are getting in the shaded portion, which is in 3D what we are getting it. But when you look from the front view, these are the points which you are going to get B and C. You are going to get this portion. Similarly, when you look from the top view, this is B and C and A. So you are going to get this. So this ABC is the one which you will be writing here. And this A dash, B dash, C dash is the one which will be written here. So how to do that now? So here, since it is the line is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. It is a true line, true inclination. So consider any point on XY line. You draw a line inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Then measure the length from B to C, and from B you cut it. You get this point. So here I have missed this particular line here. It has to be there, and that line has to be transformed here. So how? You join between this point to perpendicular to this on this. Measure the length from B to this horizontal line. When it is extended, you are going to get this point by using the compass. From B, you mark that point, and this line is perpendicular to BC. So from BC, since you have this point, draw a, by using the protractor, measure the 90 degrees to this inclined line and draw a perpendicular line here. Measure the length from this point to A, and from here cut it by using the compass. So you get this point A. Join ABC, you get this. Then draw a vertical projector from A and draw a horizontal projector from A dash. You get this point A dash. Draw a vertical projector from B dash and draw a horizontal projector from B dash to get this point. Similarly, draw a vertical projector from C. You already projected this, so you get the point C dash. Join this to get this triangle in the front view. So how to analyze this finally? So here the corner is resting on HP. The corner opposite to the side is above HP by 15 mm, and the side which is above HP by 15 mm is inclined at 30 degrees to VP, and it is an equilateral triangle of 25 mm side. This is how I can analyze my problem. It is right.